Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So yes, MP3 players are now becoming a thing. I think that MP3 players have always been good, but once you get a cell phone, you know, they have MP3 players built into them, or you can load up your music a lot faster and things like that. So a lot of companies now, I've noticed, are making MP3 players. So these players cost a lot less than iPods. Now iPods are still $200 and $300 the cost of a phone, but with some of these MP3 players, the battery life will be better because of the screen and the size. You don't have a whole bunch of colored things going on. So these little small MP3 players that I've been picking up are really good for traveling and the gym. So this is a 16 gig model here. This is actually a new version of a new MP3 player that's come to the market. This is a 16 gig and it takes up to a 128 gig card, which is absolutely great. And it only costs $59. So depending on when you're watching this, there'll probably be a coupon code before you check out on Amazon. Again, no kickbacks or anything for me. This is just strictly me showing you a product, and it's really nice and I like it. So again, this one is a 16 gig of storage, and it takes up to a 128 gig card. So you can really pack on some things on. You've got a voice recorder, it's got an FM radio, alarm clock, a bunch of different things. So and this one actually, now I reviewed another MP3 player, and I'll give you a follow-up on that one later. But this one is actually looks a little cooler. It's got a cooler look to it. So this one is a little bit bigger. Also, you get your manual there. And you get the MP3 player here. And as you can see here, this one, you get some headphones. And this one is a metal body, and it just looks really, really cool. Guess I'll peel that off since it came on off. And this is the MP3 player. So you can see you got a headphone jack, your SD card slot down here. Let me see if it's got some juice. Yeah, it's got some juice. There you go. And this feels really, really good, man. I mean, so you got your volume up and down here, and you got your charging port right here, USB sync as well for adding things if you want to via computer. And that's it. So you got your on-off and SD card. So this is very small and compact. And as you can see, you can navigate through the menus like so. I wonder if this is a touch. No. Okay, so no touch screen. So you just go into the settings and everything like this. This is really, really nice. Let's go to display settings. This one is a little bit better than the other one that I have. Let's crank that brightness up. Brightness set. This one's a little bit better than the other one I have because it's a little bit more functionality with this one. You've got a sleep timer. You've got the date and time. I like the battery indicator on there. Let's see, set time format, 12 hours, set time. Let's see what time it is. It's 1:22, so let's go here. Yeah, and this one is easier to deal with compared to the other one. The other one isn't bad. It's just that this one just seems to be a little bit easier to navigate. And let's go to date settings, date format. Let's go month, day, year. Let's set it. I believe today is the 20th. Yeah. Let's just set it here. So this one has it's easy to navigate. So you've got your language, your information down there. You can format the device, factory settings. And that's it. So you get into here, you see all the different things you're having here. You have the calendar, you've got the now playing screen, you've got your folder view, again, that FM radio, you've got your ebooks. If you want to read some things on here, you can put pictures on here. You got your alarm clock. It's Bluetooth, obviously. This one is Bluetooth 4.1. You've got your voice recorder, which is really come in handy. You can actually do videos on here, so I want to test that out. And obviously you got your music. So that's a look at the MP3 player itself. Let's crack this open here, and you can see they give you some headphones. Obviously they're not going to be the best headphones, but they're going to be something just to start you off with. And yeah, this is kind of like that knockoff Apple style headphone. I'm pretty sure it's nice. And then you've got a different set of cables in here. So if you wanted to use your own headphones, which I definitely will be doing, I'm going to use Bluetooth and I'll plug in. But this is what you get in the box here. This is actually really cool. You get a full set to start you off here. And this is all you need. So I'll give you guys a follow-up video in this same video. More than likely, if you don't see a follow-up video, check back on my channel and I'll give you an update. But this is a very cool MP3 player. I really like this one a lot better than the other one. I like the size of it and like the way it looks for functioning. I just really like this one better. So it's your man Jay Will. Stay tuned for more. And I'll probably bring you a couple more MP3 players, because if you do fitness, this is definitely better than carrying your phone. You know what I mean? This is a lot better. So, all right, guys. So here's the day 2 with this particular MP3 player, and I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. So I tested out the FM radio. I'm touching it. I've been doing. That's another thing. It looks like a touch screen. So I've been touching the. I've been touching the screen. I'm like, it's not a touch screen. It would have been real cool if this was a touch screen, but I think they did that intentionally, because it's probably would be a very sensitive touch screen. It's a big touch screen. So here's the thing. This is very nice. No battery drain or anything so far. The battery is great. As you can see, it's still full up there. But I tested the FM radio. I think I loaded the videos wrong. I created a folder saying video, and then I put it on there. So I need to redo that portion just to see if I can get it right. But I did play music. I'm touching again. I did do music. Obviously I checked the music. Everything sounds good. Bluetooth is good. The headphone jack plugging in, this thing has this is the volume mark on this side. This thing sounds really, really good, folks. I don't have an issue with the way it sounds at all. Now I am using JBL headphones here with it, and I have more powerful, more expensive headphones that I could use, but I wanted to test them with these first, because these are like my tester headphones. These things sound, this MP3 player sounds great. Now, right now, be sure to check that coupon code in the description to grab it for a discount. So, nonetheless, though, the build quality is good. Navigation is good. It was just me so used to having touchscreen devices that, you know, I got so used to that. But one thing I didn't talk about in the unboxing video, the unboxing portion, is it has a speaker. So if you don't have a headphone at the time, now the speaker isn't like super bassy loud. However, it does have a speaker, and I think this might be more in line for when you're doing the voice recordings and you want to play back your voice recordings, because it does have voice recordings. So let me get my glasses. I'm going to do a quick voice recording so you can kind of see. Start voice recording. There we go. All right, so all right, let's see if I can get it to record here. All right, so I'm assuming it's recording. I was looking for like a different icon or something like that, but the little timer is going there, so we'll see how that works. Let's see if I can get back in. Save recording. Yes. All right, so then go down to recording history, and here it is right here. All right, so yep. Yep. Put it on the mic. But the little timer is going there. Yeah, so it is recording, and that's a nice thing. The speaker is probably for that purpose, not so much for listening to music, even though I did play music with it, and it does work very well. So all in all, folks, this is a nice little MP3 player. It feels really premium too, and I really like it, man. The Bluetooth is good. I would definitely use this on like a trip or something for an alarm clock, or just listen to music while I fall asleep, because battery is actually really good on this thing. I've only charged it once, obviously, so it's really nice. So if you want to save battery on your phone, you could load up a couple of movies. I know this is a small screen, but it's totally doable. Especially for the music and FM radio. So if you're in a place where the Bluetooth runs out or something like that, you can plug in and use FM radio with any headphone. So there you have it, folks. I wanted to give you a quick update. This is day 2 of this MP3 player. Really nice, man. Hit the link in the description. Again, no kickbacks from me or anything. It's just a matter of me sharing a product with you because I love this tech stuff. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video.